Hello, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys two different ways to scrape Clutch.co. Okay, so let's get into it. Now, for those of you who are unfamiliar, Clutch is probably one of the best ways to scrape any B2B service, right? So you come into here, you can see there's a lot of different platforms. There's anything from like software development to IT services, marketing, design, all sorts of business services, all sorts of like packages that you can get, different resources, pretty much anything that you could need as a business where you would need to hire a contractor, you have it in here. Okay. Now, when I use it a lot of the time, it's for campaigns for my own agency. When we launch cold email campaigns, this is a great way to find leads. So, like for example, if I want to target SEO agencies, instead of trying to find SEO agencies on a platform like Apollo, I can just scrape them from here and then bring them into Apollo. Okay. Now, the first way that I'm going to show you does cost a little bit of money, but it is completely hassle-free. Okay. And the way that you do it is using this tool called Lead Academy. Now, I will be honest, Lead Academy is my product. This video is not a commercial, so just please hang in there. In essence, what it is it's a coaching program and a course for anyone that wants to do cold email. Okay, it comes with a 7-day free trial. It's a monthly subscription. You know, it's $197 a month. It's not anything crazy. But point is one of the things that comes with it is scrapers. You get tools, right? You get a lot of different scrapers like Crunchbase, Yelp, Trustpilot, Better Business Bureau, all these different tools. One of them being Clutch. Okay. Now I'm going to show you guys a very quick demo of how it would look like if we did launch a Clutch scrape. All you do is just come into here, do /Clutch. Category, let's just say we do want to do content marketing. Let's just do 5 pages as an example, 1% minimum service. Okay, let that run real quick, give it a second, boom, it comes in, and here we are, 250 results scraped just like that. Obviously very quick, because obviously it's a tool, it's not a person, but just like that, you're able to come into here and get all of these leads. Just like that, boom, you have all the websites, right? Now that's the easy way of doing it, but it is obviously going to cost you money since, you know, Lead Academy costs money. Now, if you don't want to do that and you want to just do this for free, the other way that you can do it is you can actually come onto the platform and get this extension right here called Instant Data Scraper, right? So you can click on right here. You can see it's a free Chrome extension that you can get. And in essence, it scrapes the HTML content on the website and helps you try to extract the information that's on there, okay? Now, I'll show you. You can click Locate Next button, scroll all the way down on this page, find the button that goes to the next page, which is right here. Then open up Instant Data Scraper. I think it's this one. Do a small delay and click Start Crawling. And what's gonna start doing is it's gonna start going page by page and removing getting the listings off this page and giving them to you. Now, it's not perfect because it's not gonna, do the next step, which I'm about to show you guys, but I'll show you what that looks like first. I'm just gonna stop it. I'm gonna copy this information. And we're going to open up a new Google Sheet. Oops. Open up a new Google Sheet. I'm going to paste in the information that we just got. Just like this. And boom, you can see that all of the information is here. Now, I'll show you guys where the problem occurs. When you actually go on Clutch, you can see that there's a button right here called Visit Website. This button is what includes the link for what you're looking for. Now, we did scrape this button. But the thing is you need to take this button, and if you look at the link address, if you actually look at what it's giving you, this is a Clutch domain. It's not actually giving you the real domain of the website. It's giving you a redirect. When you go on this domain, that's when it'll send you to the real page. Now, you'll see that issue in our little spreadsheet here. If we find the category with the button, which is this one, these are all our websites. I'll delete all the other information. Let's do this. Like that, boom. This is what we're actually looking for. All of this information is useless for us. For my current example, let me just delete it. This right here is the button and its contents. Now, because of the fact that Clutch is set up to redirect and you cannot actually see the real website, you're going to have to go in every one of these manually to get the real website. Okay, so essentially, you click this, paste it into your browser, it redirects you to the real one. Take this, put it here. Copy the next one, go to it, it'll redirect you to the real website, take it, paste it here, right? And you're gonna have to do this for every single listing if you want their websites, okay? Now, you can have somebody on your team do this, like a VA or something like that, but you are gonna unfortunately have to do this part manually since there's no way around it, okay? Now, I'll show you guys, once you have the websites, you obviously want the decision maker's information. Now, I'm gonna go back to here. I'm just gonna click this, this result that we got from the Discord, and I'm just gonna open this up in Sheets, you can see that in our example, it's obviously a real website since we do that step for you. But from here, the next step would just be copying these leads and bringing them over to a platform like Apollo, for example. And Apollo is a sales intelligence platform similar to ZoomInfo or Seamless, like anything like that. And just simply pasting that information in those websites, clicking save and search, and Apollo will find those companies for you. Okay. Then just simply come over to people. And just like that, we have the people who are decision makers at those companies. So let's say you wanted CEOs. You just come here, type CEO, owner, founder. And just like that, you have all of the contact information of all the CEOs, founders, and owners at those companies. So if you want one of their emails, let's say you want Johnny's email. He's the CEO at Collective Brands. Or Apollo actually doesn't have his email. Or you want Sean's email at Redfern. You click access email. Boom, Sean at redfern.co.uk is that person's email. Okay, and that's the full A through Z process. You starting off at Clutch and you bring it over into Apollo, and that's how you would get those emails. Okay, so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you are interested in giving Lead Academy a try, I'll have a link in the description with a 7-day free trial. I'll also have just a Clutch link if you just want to quickly access it. But I hope this video was helpful, and until next time.